Welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. All right, in this part 40 video, I'm going to continue to go over the stop and pause. You practice, you try. I've got two more I'd like you to give an effort for, stop the video and you try to do what we've been doing, right? You following along, get her done. All right, so I have 7/10, which is equivalent, every fraction is a division problem, right? 7 divided by 10. And another way to write that is 7 divisor bar 10. All right, that's all I'm going to tell you. Stop and pause in 3, 2, 1. Get her done. All right, so hopefully you stop, pause, you gave it a try. Let's go over those answers. All right, so you want to show your decimal to the right of the 7. It's invisible, so show it. Then raise it directly above the divisor bar. To the right of that decimal are as many zeros as you'd like to write. I wrote 4. I'm showing dot, 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 dot because they're invisible. You can write them as just solid zeros. I'm an instructor, so I'm trying to instruct that they're not there. You can just write them in there. All right. So 10 times what number gets me 7? There's no number in the world times 10 that you can multiply that will give you a product or an answer of 7. So I'm going to move a digit over and I'm going to say 70. 10 times what number would give me 70? And right above that 0, I'm going to put the multiplier, 7, because I know 7 times 10 is 70, right? So the product is 70. I'm going to subtract 70 from my target of 70. I get 0. Bring down that digit at 0. 10 times what number gets me 0? 10 times 0 gets me 0. You can keep get my tongue out of the way. You can keep bringing all these zeros down, and you just have more and more zeros above the divisor bar. So I'm going to stop there. I have an equivalency. So 7/10 is equal to 0.70 or 70 hundredths as a decimal value. Now I'm going to convert that decimal into a percent. All right, so you can see here that 7/10 is equivalent to 0.70 or 70 hundredths as a decimal. You take that decimal, move it 2 places to the right, add your percent symbol, and you get 70%. All right, thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take step by step. I've got one more kind of complicated, much more difficult stop and pause problem that I want you to try. All right, it's pretty lengthy, but I think it's worthwhile for you to give it a shot, and we'll go over the answers. All right, thank you for joining me again. If I've helped you, please help me. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Help me to help others. Thank you for your time.